hit the beat. Bonjour, bonsoir et bienvenue à la Liste Top 5. I am your favorite host, Sylvia K, and you are joined with another episode. As you guys know, La Liste Top 5, we are a game show on YouTube for you guys. Everything that is Congolese lies right here. Today, we are going to be talking about Générique Songs of the 2000s. The songs in Ningsi Bino Loketo Penza Bozayo Bina Bina Baocha ba 20 pam 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 na moto Mama Zwingo she spanda. She said she was going to give it to you. This is what we're talking about today. All right, cool. You guys got your lists already? As per usual, you've got 2 minutes on the clock and your time starts right now.
Bon.
All right, nakoma ya.
Okay.
Komi déjà.
Non, oui, maman.
Cinquième passe pour lui.
Code pin. Quadra. Zela beaucoup de kanzi momoka quadra. Pona respect. Hein, on monte kaka efrakata.
Efrakata. Il a pas fait trop.
Efrakata ça déjà. Oh, OK, au moment c'est.
Well, yes, I déjà talk like
okay.
Number 2.
Okay.
Hate me that.
Wow,
I would even
bicarbonate.
put no Fomutu.
No,
I would put some.
Tika Fomutu, mama.
Vous avez mis ma forme,
Fomutu.
Moi, pour moi, en tout cas.
Troisième position.
Vous avez 10 secondes.
Maman.
Et troisième personne.
10 seconds left on the clock, guys.
Allez, Générique.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it, guys. No more deliberation. Are you guys ready? Are you guys confident?
To check out our list, the thing is, it's too difficult. List à mon
Plus,
to be honest, Pour déjà, na liste na bino déjà, bah dire on is athée.
Yeah, man, this list is not an easy one because first of all, you know, I'm with teammates, so everyone has like different opinions. But to be honest, also the list to me is not even complete. There are so many songs that are missing. You know, Génération Bercy est zappé, Bako Imiko est zappé, like Droit de Veto est zappé, les sauté. So many songs that I would have personally put also in there. Like there are so many songs that zappé, mais franchement, déjà Koimiko, déjà like I can't even. That song needs to be on there. Like who doesn't know Koimiko? What wedding did we go to? Koimiko Ezobe Tamate. Ah, c'est Léo, pardon. C'est Léo, bah salut ma belle. Franchement, là où c'est pélaté sur une Nazaki.
Voilà.
But I was saying déjà ligne 11, besoin de monter. Ko Imiko déjà, comment ils ont la liste?
Ma voix, c'est comme au cœur.
Pourquoi ils ont la liste? Vous respectez ces Léo. Vous respectez ces Léo.
Alright, no problem. Alright, cool. We are going to go into another segment, a segment full of games. You guys already know this is the bonus round. In this round, this is where you could potentially win the whole show. In this one, it is the instrumental. You guys need to guess what song it is, right? Remember, you get 2 points if you can name me the title and the artist. Okay?
So is it a song on list ou bien a song Karaboye?
No, you guys know the songs.
Efrakata,
You said the artist, so you guys get 2, you guys get 1. Got it? Alright, cool. Next one. You ready?
Yeah.
Two. Alright, you guys get 2 points. You guys get 1. Alright, cool. Ready? Okay, you did say it, yeah. 2 points. 2 points. Olalaki. Olalaki. Okay. Next one. Bolamka. Ready?
Celui qui n'est
Alerte
pas
générale,
avec nous
blanc,
est
ça.
contre nous.
Moboulouté.
Ha! But 2 here, 1 here.
Bon, tu
Ready?
vas aussi.
1.
King Kester, le jour le plus long, something like that.
Oh,
You got it right.
I don't want to do this on camera.
Sings the
Bis
song.
l'affilée alors.
Non, c'est pas bien.
It is been affilié. So you get the 2 points.
Ah, yeah, yeah.
You get the 2 points.
Nah, you're
Last but not least,
Nzimbo wana zanzimbo nangata.
guys, s'il te plaît. Hein? Voilà, Mka.
Voilà, mukana pongi, yes, azoya.
Ready?
Yeah.
TH, piano. Nga na zomta ambiance na nga kobina. Malgré qu'il n'y a pas bina te, mais kobina est un sport pour nous en fait. Alors bah générique nyonso tant kaka a lobby à liboso na zozwa parce que eza domaine eza domaine na nga ekobina et abiso baluba quoi. Eza ndenge na tokola na c'est du sport en fait. La danse c'est nous.
All right, you know what?
Palabino eza léger.
Azali champion.
Wow. They got it. They really did get it.
Tu gagné déjà G. Tu gagné déjà G.
That's peak.
Bon, peut ça Liste na bino, peut to se la mais tu gagné déjà G. Bon, peut ça moka, mais c'est pas grave.
Guys, Sister Emma, Dior number Dior. Say your list.
Gonna piece. You savent maman.
5e place.
Oui, oui.
Les Marquis, 7e leçon. 4e, Kipeayo. Wow!
The song. Pele, pele,
Yellow
lo, pele,
Okay.
pele.
Okay.
Yellow, pele.
Good.
She's saying, regardless, it's
Is that 4e?
Wait, hold on, can I just say something? It's mad that you're defending GB because if I remember,
I said that one song was the buffet. That's the. To be honest, I'll play that when the food is getting served. I'm not gonna lie to you.
It's not really a base thing.
she said that GB Piana, his songs are the ones that, you know, you play whilst you're having the buffet.
Nakoliata bananga na lie loso na tie makayabu na tie soso na bisha kukaoka. Yes.
Kipeayo!
Period.
3e, Toche, alerte générale. 2e, Tobosonite Mopa Mokonzi, Quadracoraman et Fracata.
Numéro 1.
Kila Mugroso.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay.
I hear it. Papa Wemba.
Kuru. Kuru de Londres zao tuzali.
Allez. You're
We didn't put that on our top 5, but number one, by facial expression. Yeah. Okangi kakaboye fwa koti tengami kile. Even baby say longi. Nje mona tala ale. It's la basi mama. Hey, what kind of dance move? But that dance move is number 1. As in, if we did a dance move episode, one of Vinza. That's number 1 for me. But yeah, 6 songs.
Faites comme moi. Je viens de trouver une solution pour ma famille. Mon oncle à Brazzaville, ma mère à Kinshasa. Na tindeli bango mbongo na Taptap Send. Netika kozo tinda SMS, me tindi mbongo. En plus, transfert d'argent sans frais. Netika na Croix-Rouge. Faites comme moi, vous téléchargez l'application na bino ya Taptap Send. Kaka na téléphone na yo. Otindi esika ozali, ye pe azwi esika azali. Pona numéro oyo ezali na M-Pesa, RTL Money to Orange Money pona Kinshasa, MTN Money to RTL Money pona Brazzaville, Taptap Send na beti na send mbongo. Yamba mbongo ata na minuit. Taptap Send mbongo elongo na poche ekoti na chombo. Taptap Send, you send me, send you.
You should have been on the dancer. Go ahead, darlings.
Oh.
You're the one that wrote.
Well, on this side of town, number 5.
The winning team.
I hope so. Good pin.
We already have one.
Yeah, but that's before Mutu, but it's fine. Good pin for number 5. Kofi good pin. Yeah. Faux, fallait pour bicarbonate. 3.
Oh yeah.
Bicarbonate,
We
on va trois
weren't sure.
Et maintenant, c'est qui d'accord. Après, everybody was thinking
Oh,
that,
personally,
I silly.
Allez, Tony,
Then it came back with bicarbonate.
Hey, bisogno se tutto ebbe impact Arsenal de belle mélodie ça là, comprendre pas. There's no way for me personally to culture bicarbonate ikola 3 chemins ti. Hein? Tanzo kaka, allez tu ningisa kanzoto. Mama, yakawa, hein? Singa loket kusana mbonda. Brother, ba mama na ba papa na ba petite quartier nyo surtout ba hotel makako singa loket. Tu comprends? That one there can't run. I'm sorry.
Number 3, we got
Do you know what? That song, yeah. Don't worry, I'll say it when it's my turn. Go ahead.
2, Kipeyayo, Lopele. And number 1, Alerte Générale.
Okay.
I hear that.
All right, I hear it.
Ça passe.
Huh?
My team's fake though, it's alright.
Olé bicarbonate, so il faut monter ça.
Wait,
yeah.
Wait, sing it for me. Sing it for me.
Which one?
Is that one of those? Do you know what? That
Muito sai, tão na kitikin bro. I didn't know lingala no nothing. I'm on a petit mo na TV. I like my next John. I pay sabato lesson. Nem obi na fumo. Tão ga mazende kudu. Mazende kudu. Fumo to. Donc, Totika, bro.
I bet you my fan. No, that song, yeah.
Mutu.
No,
Only you guys actually. My phone.
No, I can't lie.
Sylvia, please. Talibino.
Wait.
Lelo et Talibino. Sylvia, so if you would want to say, listen.
No, it's not there.
Free. I'm not here.
It's not the song. It's not
there. It's not there.
Listen, For Mutu Moko Boy is a good song. I like Félix Tshisekedi. Félix Wazé quoi. Tshisekedi T. Wazé quoi. Sorry, Papa Président. Yeah, I like Félix Tshisekedi. Oh my God. I'm sorry. For Mutu Moko Boy is a good song. I like Wazé quoi. But song na union surtout ça like succès et tout mais et aujourd'hui nous tabi na Waza souté désolé car et make top 5 T parce que tout beau ça dans les oubliettes en tout cas. Bye. Confession. I'm leaving.
Bon, pas de problème.
Listen, I've said it already, yeah? Last season, Fumutu is a Nzembo ya grave. This season, season 3, Bochangote. Binyo news too. Même équipe nanga, ba Fumutu. Ting. Boza ba Fumutu. Because I don't understand. A song, Sukalibwe. You guys don't play it on. It's cool though. You guys don't know music. I'm gonna give you my music. Bino boyebi elokote ba Fumutu ya grave. Wow.
We're gonna give my list now. Obviously, as you guys know, Félix Bazooka didn't make it.
Bien sûr que
Nestri Arandi, négative. All right, cool. Already, you guys know Faringola was never gonna make my list.
Thank you.
Negative.
I also need one.
All right, cool.
Pardon.
At number 5, we have Les Marquis de Maison-Mère, 7e leçon.
I understand that.
Number 4, we have Papa Wemba. What's it called again?
Tilamo Grosso.
That's the one. Thank you.
Kuru.
Somotro. That's right. I wrote the wrong thing. back to the cool. You see, autocorrect would have had me saying the wrong thing, you know. Hey, there's a lot of people that are working against me, but I will condemn all of you lot on not the Jésus.
Yeah.
Number 3, we have JB Piana, toujours humble.
Thank you.
Number 2, Wera, Opération Dragon. Number 1, it belongs to the number 1. You see this song, yeah? I danced it at my Holy Communion.
Wait, I'm scared.
At my Holy Communion, that fete was the fete of the year. That one. But when you said along by Yeba Kike, Sylvia K had her Holy Communion. I was there,
If I got the Holy Communion.
I had all of the bongos.
Après tout, balobi musique tout.
Pas de problème. My number 1 is Mopa Mukunzi. Kofi Olomide. Quadra Koraman.
Le Quadra.
L'ambassadeur de la musique congolaise.
You see that song? That song bangs 247. You just hear the beat.
Quadra Koraman, Mopa Mukunzi MM, Efrakata Eye. Quadra.
Are you mad? That song such a no. That song? Oh no. One of it. It's a banger. It's a banger. So obviously, you know, on this occasion, we're gonna end quickly because we already know the winning team as they run the bonus round. So well done to you guys.
But about they only won because of the bonus round? Okay.
Posiko, Génération Bercy, Boche pété. Wow. Ah, Nazo Luka Penza, oui, Génération Bercy, ils en ont monté.
Ah, papa.
Ah, papa.
You know the thing is, yeah, when we make our lists, yeah, to set our own, how can I say this? We have to think carefully. Do you know what I'm saying? Not everybody can make it. Some people make it, some people don't. Some people are just collateral damage. It is what it is. Do you get what I'm saying? And that's all I have to say. On est fini ici. Merci beaucoup. You guys have been with La Liste Top 5 Générique Edition. We have been your amazing panel here. I am your favorite presenter, Sylvia K. Make sure you guys are liking, subscribing, and commenting. Botin na ba lien pa ba camarade na bino, ba famille na bino nyoso. Merci beaucoup. À la prochaine.